parce que si le président Xi est bienvenu en France, c'est la liberté de la presse sous le tapis rouge. On a malheureusement trop l'habitude.
President Xi is actually in Paris now, and we consider that whatever we do as a country, the president should not be treated as a guest of honor like any other. He's a press freedom predator, and he is currently responsible for the jailing of 119 journalists, either in the Republic of China or in Hong Kong. So, of course, President Xi is welcome to France, but we think that these questions of press freedom, of jailing journalists, of exporting propaganda should be dealt with by the exchanges, the conversations between the two heads of state. And also, the President is welcome in France, but RSF is not welcome in China. And then on April 10th, one of our colleagues was expelled from Hong Kong. So we consider that really this should be dealt with as a priority matter in all conversation with the Chinese president.